Last week, AI didn't just evolve, it left Earth. Companies are building power systems in spaces, human brain cells are learning to play video games, and one country made it illegal to replace you with AI. And if you're not paying attention right now, you're already behind. Hi, I'm Tanya and welcome to AI Ki Taza Khabar, your weekly dose of most important AI updates. Let's start with the story that quietly changed everything. Meta just made a move that sounds unreal, but it's real. They signed an energy deal with space. A company is putting solar panels 22,000 miles above Earth. In space, sun never sets. That means unlimited power. And Meta has already booked enough energy to power an entire city. But that is just half the story. They also partnered with a company building batteries that lasted 100 hours straight. Not 4 hours like Tesla, 100 hours straight. So even if the grid collapses for 4 days, their AI keeps running. Now connect the dots. 2 years ago, AI ran on normal electricity. Last year, companies started buying nuclear plants. This year, they ran out of power on Earth. So now they're going to space, and Meta is not alone. The AI race is no longer about intelligence. It's about who controls the energy. And that race just left the planet. Now this one sounds straight out of science fiction. Scientists connected 2 lakh human brain cells to a chip and made them play a game. Real neurons. Alive. Signals go in, responses come out, and those responses control the game. It's learning, adapting, improving. Not perfectly, but faster than early AI systems. Now here's why this matters. These biological systems use a fraction of energy of the data centers. If this scales, we're not building smarter AI. We're building an AI that barely needs power. This is no longer just AI. It is biology versus machine. And it has already begun. While the world is replacing people with AI, China just did the opposite. They made it illegal to fire someone just because AI can do their job. A company replaced an employee with AI and offered him a 40% pay cut. He refused, they fired him, and court ruled it illegal. Why? Because AI adoption is a choice, not an emergency. So company must retrain, reassign, and compensate. They cannot push the cost of automation onto employees. This is huge because AI is scaling fast, but the rules around it are just starting, and the rest of the world hasn't caught up yet. And now something practical. You can now connect Claude directly to your Instagram. Yes, Claude can manage your account, posting, scheduling, commenting, everything. Setup takes minutes. Once connected, AI becomes your social media manager, which means content creation is no longer a bottleneck, execution is. And people who move faster here will dominate attention. So this was your AI Ki Taza Khabar. Now think about it. If AI keeps moving at this speed, what are you doing right now that AI can't replace? Tell me in the comments, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video.